This Conseco, I just want to do a quick update. I saw the video cut out again on me. I'm going to show the 4 main hits that come out of the Topps Prime Hobby Box break number 3. I don't know if this was on the video, but I want to show you. Bradford Tebow, the LaFleur, Andre Roberts, and Armani Edwards. Roberts, LaFleur, and the Bradford. Really nice looking card here. Anyway, sorry that happened again. I don't know what's causing it. I know YouTube uploading videos, and some of them, I know guys are uploading them, say at 3 o'clock, and we're not getting the actual upload viewable till sometimes 12, 20 hours later. So I don't know what's going on, but guess I'm just got to break faster in case it happens again. Anyway, sorry about that. Just wanted to show these hits so everybody knows that I am honest. No rip-offs here. You're going to get what you paid for. Thanks.